Early morning in the vibrant emerald jungle. Birds chirp, monkeys swing, and the jungle hums with life. Leo the lion surveys his territory from atop Pride Rock. Suddenly, animals gather around the riverbank. The water is lower than ever before. A shaded clearing where all tribes meet under the ancient baobab tree. Leo calls a meeting. Tensions rise among species, blaming each other. Zara the zebra speaks calmly, suggesting unity. Tico the monkey jokes to lighten the mood. But Era the elephant demands action. They agree to form a team to investigate the river's source. Deeper jungle paths filled with mist and mystery. The team sets out. Leo, Zara, Tico, Era. They face natural obstacles, thorny vines, deep swamps, and territorial animals. Tico almost falls into a pit, but Era saves him. Trust begins to grow.